is water. Kasi 5 years ago, City of Dasmariñas entered a joint venture with Prime Water of the Villars. And naging major problem siya until now dahil yung pagmamanage ng Prime Water, they call it Prime Water, sorry. Kasi may minimum na binabayad sa Prime Water pero walang tumutulong. And one of the problems is yung joint venture na yun is hindi naging maganda for the Paliparan 3. Yung kaninang barangay na nabanggit, yung sitio Pintong Gubat, and the vast majority of Dasmariñas. Kasi before wala namang problem sa Dasma at tubig. Malakas yung tulong. Pero because nagkaroon ng private-public partnership, doon nagsimula yung problem sa tubig natin. So yung sagot ko doon is, we should look after the contract. Tignan natin kung naging beneficial ito sa constituents ng Dasma. Tapos, if we could amend sa council, sa LGU, kung pwedeng baguhin yung contract, kasi 25 years ang contract ng Prime Water with Dasmariñas Water District. 25 years. So matagal na panahon yun. Yung 5 years na yun, marami nang nangyari na mali. Kasi ang nangyari is, yung sustenance ng water is through rasyon. Kumbaga rinarasyon na lang. Pero yung tulong sa tubig, sa gripo, wala. So yun yung pwede natin gawin as a aspiring candidate of Dasmariñas na City Councilor. We should look into that contract. And pwede natin papasukin yung mga big players like Maynila, Manila Waters, or other private independent water supplier. Yun yung pwede natin gawin. But sa problem ng Dasmariñas, ang major problem is water. Yun yung pwede natin solution.
Jed, can I ask you to promise something? Kung manalo ka and the local council of Dasmariñas gets to review the Prime Water contract and effect change, sana keep the public abreast of what you're doing para magaya ng ibang local governments. Kasi definitely we've been hearing the same problem from other local governments. And baka hindi malinaw kasi sa mga local officials, ng city officials and municipal officials, that they have that power to do that. Diba? So,
ang nangyari kasi, before magkaroon ng contract, is dapat may public hearing. But the public hearing naging private hearing. So, yung sinasabi ko na unang-unang gagawin is to draft amendments doon sa contract. Silipin natin, for example, sa mga private-public partnership, katulad ng mga expressways, merong regulatory board na nag-check. Ito sa water, wala. Katulad sa SLEX, before tayo mag-increase ng toll prices, may regulatory board na nag-check. Ito, sa public partnership ng water, walang nag-check. So, walang checks and balances. So, we need to amend, draft amendments doon sa contract. Kung ano yung talagang contract between the LGU, the Dasmariñas Water District, and the prime water of the Villars. So, we should amend, yun yung pinaka-unang step na pwedeng gawin within the powers of the council and the local government.